So it's a beautiful morning. I figured I'd show you how I've been washing my clothes. I've got this little baggie of soap. It's biodegradable, 100% natural, nothing bad for the water, peppermint based. And I just get my clothes that I'm washing all soaps and sudsy and rub them together. And then rinse them off in some beautiful fresh water. And then once I get them all nice and clean and the dirt out of them, I hang them off my backpack and let them dry throughout the day while I hike. And I'll show you that in a second. Then once I've got it as wringed out as possible, I just dangle it from the back and let it hang there all day while I hike, and it hopefully dries out. It's another morning. It's another morning! Can you hear me now? And I found another waterfall. I just wanted to walk underneath. Oh, I'm so tempted. I'm so tempted to walk underneath this. So I'm gonna be a big kid because I can't help it. I've got to totally walk underneath this waterfall. And I've probably only been hiking for like 2 miles today, but you know what? I did it all. I'm under the waterfall! How you start a morning. Oh my God. Yep. Fan-freaking-tastic. Need one of these in my house. Alright. Here we go back here. Oh gosh. I'll try recording while I do this. Why not? Oh my God, it's so cold. Alright, I didn't get that wet. Just a little. Just enough. Okay. So, I got some great news. I got a text message from Han Solo saying that she's going to go home and handle all her business. And then she's going to come back and finish the trail. So I'm super excited because I thought I lost my friend for the rest of this trip. But yeah, so she has to go home and deal with some things, nothing bad. And then she's going to meet back up on the trail. I also got a message from Daddy Shakira. He's waiting for some MRI, excuse me. I'm a better writer than talker. Anyway, he's waiting for his MRI results. Fucking kidding me. I don't even have an excuse like alcohol or nothing. Damn. Anyway, he's waiting for the results of his MRI to see when he can come back or if. And I have a good gut feeling that he's going to be able to. And he's going to come up and meet up with me and Han Solo. And we're going to knock the rest of this thing out. It's kind enough to make a bench. So I feel like I should sit on it. Someone was kind enough to make a bench. I feel like I should sit on it. Try it out. Oh, that's pretty. Nobody down there. Nobody down there. I just found a feather. But it was pretty beaten up. So I need to find another one. I'll show you tonight the dream catcher I made last night. Okay, that was a great seat, but I'm ready to go. I'm wondering why only one shoe is blowing bubbles. It's a little wet. Trying to find a hostel. Hiking with Spider. He's a little wet. I'm a little wet. Double D and his wife were behind us, told us about this place. Apparently they have pizza and beer, and that sounds like a lot more fun than this. So we just got off the trail to see if we could find this hostel with pizza and beer.